Lucy, we're going to talk a little bit about SPLA audits again today. Hi, everyone. Welcome to SPLA Man Presents. This is SPLA Man and my dog, Lucy. So today we're going to talk a little bit, not necessarily audits, but really about in-customer licensing. So we get asked, or I get told a lot, is, hey, I'm not responsible for these licenses. They're my customers' licenses. I don't even have access to them. They can install whatever they want to install. It's not my responsibility. Well, on the contrary, I would say it is your responsibility because those licenses are installed in your data center. So if you do get audited, you have to prove the way your licensing is accurate. And I went through that on a different video, and you probably know that already. You always have to prove the way you're licensing. But when it comes to in-customer licensing, you also have to prove that these licenses are legit, that they have software assurance on those licenses. Otherwise, you'll be on the hook for those, and they would have to be reported under SPLA. But you know what? Don't take my word for it. Listen to an auditor.
Well, we meet all types of information, and I'll take maybe even a step back, that as an external firm coming in to perform these software reviews, I fully understand that there's a bit of apprehension of a SPLA partner to disclose who those customers are, who those people are, those unique user accounts, all that kind of stuff. And I fully understand that kind of information. And I think what's key to understand is we don't really care, because we're not in that business. We're here just to ascertain the compliance aspect, to ascertain that effective licensing position. So as much data as possible is the best way to go about things, because we're able to then see if there's duplicate user accounts that we're only licensing a single user. Anonymization really drives an extra couple of steps to the process. It's not impossible, but what we're trying to understand is exactly that effective licensing position.